Hey, it's Saturday night. I wasn't able to record this earlier. That's okay. This is a fire where we're cooking what they call a braai here in South Africa. You South Africans, of course, are very familiar with that. And just reminded me that um, when I was visiting David Bloom in California, the author of Alcohol Can Be a Gas. I was there about a month and a half ago. And in my interview with him, one of the things he told me was that half the world still cooks their meals with wood fires, and they go out and gather the wood for the fire, and there's a lot of particulates in open fires like this, and that one of the best solutions is to use ethanol. However, when he proposed this idea here in Africa, somewhere in Africa, the natives told him that no, they didn't want alcohol in their homes because they were afraid of their husbands getting drunk off the alcohol. So they developed a special stove where the alcohol cannot come out. And so that's and you can go to the store and refill it. So I just wanted to mention that possibility. I'll talk to you tomorrow.